You have a tickle in your throat that you can't scratch. Coughing doesn't help. And drinking water does nothing. It is driving you crazy. The solution is in your ear. Vigorously scratch the inside of your ear canal with your finger. Why? This stimulates the auricular branch of the vagus nerve. This specific nerve connects your ear directly to the muscles in your throat. By stimulating the ear, you trigger a reflex that causes a tiny muscle spasm in the throat. This spasm effectively scratches the itch from the inside out. It sounds weird, but it is the only way to reach that impossible spot.